Alright, so I'm sitting differently this time. Got monkey in the background. Baby monkeys are so funny. They just look funny. But today I just kind of wanted to I just kind of think I want to talk about being yourself. So oops. I got this big pillow right here. But so I think being yourself, me talking about it, means I feel like it just means being yourself. Like, I'm tired of everybody, that nonchalantness, right? Unless you're Elise. Bayern right winger, I think. I think he's right wing. Or right mid, I forgot. But, that's the only exception. I'm tired of nonchalantness. Like, I feel like unless you're just a normal, like, that's your genuine, like, who you are, I don't think anybody should try and act like they don't care. Because deep down, everybody cares. And, you know, nonchalant is just not who I am. And if you know me in person, you know that is true. Do I have, like, do I act differently with certain people? Yeah. Am I nonchalant? No. There's no point in acting nonchalant. Like, you're trying to pretend like you don't care when everybody cares, and if you're trying to act like you don't, then that just kind of makes you seem like a dick. Like, in my point of view, that just makes you, like, instead of, like, being a full human, you're, like, just the outline of one. Like, you're there, but you're not full. I feel like once you do start being yourself, I feel like that's when you start being accepted by people who know you for who you are. And that's when you start finding people that, you know, you really like, and you just become overall happier, I feel like. Because I used to, like, I can be honest, I used to act like not myself. And that was because myself, I'm fucking weird, and I can admit that, okay? Like, everybody knows it. And I'm not saying it to be like, oh, look at me. Oh my gosh, I'm so weird and wacky, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so weird. Anyways. But I'm just I'm myself, right? And the monkey distracted me. I forgot what we were talking about. Or I'm talking about. What is this dumbass doing, bro? Blood is not real. But anyways. Oh. So, you know, I'm a really weird person. And that's what leads me to enjoy being around who I'm around right now. Because everyone else is weird. And if you're nonchalant, I don't fuck with you. Right? Except for if you're nonchalant but you're, like, not nonchalant. That's chill. As long as I'm, like, already friends with you. But yeah, like, just be yourself, honestly. What? Fly high. Anyways, yeah, that's just kind of like the main point I wanted to get across. Just be yourself and you'll be overall. Damn. Okay. You'll never guess what happened. I might have watched some stuff. I might have been out of storage. But, anyways, as I was saying, just like be yourself and you'll find that you're a lot happier and you're surrounded by better people and people you like and people you get along with more. Like, I don't know, that doesn't matter. Oh my god, I cannot remember. What is he eating? Is that corn? Not a thought behind this guy's eyes, bro. I wish I was a monkey sometimes. You just kind of sit around. Sit around and eat corn and like beat your babies. That's what they do. They kind of just like, they're all kind of fucked up. They like pick up their babies by the tail and like, I think it'd be pretty cool to be able to do that. Also, next video, I'll turn my fan off because I just realized, you know, when I ran out of storage, I checked the end of that video to see what I was talking about, and I heard the fan really loud, so next time I'll turn it off. But, I think this was a very unproductive day. I just kind of repeated the same thing for like 8 minutes, and then we saw monkeys, but I don't understand the whole nonchalant ideology, that's what I was meaning. Like, why pretend like you don't care? You know what I mean? Like, through life, you're supposed to love, you're supposed to feel emotions. And if you pretend like you don't feel emotions, that just leaves you hollow. It makes you seem like you don't have feelings and you won't connect to people, and that prevents you from connecting to people like you, like your inner self. And if you try and, that's another thing, if you try and change for people, you're gonna feel like, I don't know, you're just gonna feel different. You're gonna feel weird because you're going from one person and you're like, oh, look at me, I'm woo woo woo, and then you're to another person, you're like, what's up, thug? How's it going? What's up, player? But so it's kind of like, it's weird to, it's like a bird. Excuse me. It's weird to act different around different people. Like, sure, I do, to an extent. Like, I don't change my entire personality around different people. So little baby. But anyways, like, I forgot what I was talking about. No more monkeys next time. Holy smokes. Look at that guy go. Yo, he's balancing, bro. Look at that. It's on top of that pole. It's like a monk. The monkey is like a monk. This is the rails. I'm way over here, completely off the rails. But, just be yourself around everyone. Like, to an extent, I'll act different, and that's only because I'm like a gusher, right? I'm like soft, right? Like I'm not crunchy, I'm not hard, I'm not, right? I'm just kind of, I'm softer, right? But then there's that little bit of jelly in the middle. And that's what I reserve for, my really, really inner circle, like one person, like one or two people. And that's my true self. My absolute true self. Because I'm not saying I don't act like myself around other people. I'm saying I still act myself, but I don't act my true self, my absolute true self. That's because I reserve my true self. Because I feel like it doesn't even need to be said why I don't show every single thing about me to every single person. I feel like that should be only given in intimacy and can only be given in intimacy. Or like with someone that you're really close with, right? And I'm talking really close with. I feel like that should go for most people too. It's like, I'm not saying you have to, I'm saying I feel like that's what a lot of people do. Because at the end of the day, we're all human. We all feel like we need to act a certain way around other people. I know I feel that way sometimes. And do I do that? Yeah. Yes, I do. To an extent, though. So, yeah, I don't know. I kind of like doing these videos because I'm like a yapper sometimes. I'm more of a listener to other people because I don't like yapping to other people, but I can talk to myself. Instead of like thinking to myself, I like talk. You. But, oh wow. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, look how big my muscles are. The beach is that way, ladies. But, yeah. Yo, this monkey's an alcoholic. What the hell? Look at this guy. He's trying to break it open. Oh, little babies. Okay, well, that's probably it for today. If you made it this far, comment monkeys and dog nuts. Peace out. Oh, wait, I have to do it at the same time. Peace out.